We're looking at the product category, you can add new categories. For example, I'm adding casual shoes and it has been added, and if I need to create more categories I can create like this, so that's how we can categorize our products. Here we can edit or delete them. So when we're looking at the Products tab, we can press the Add New Product button. After you'll get a tab like this, you'll have to fill in this information. Under the main information, you can add your product's name. Let's see how I'm gonna fill this, after the products category which we've created previously. After SKU and tax if it's applied for your business, price, stock quantity. In custom fields you can fill these details. Here you can add your product images. If you need more you can add more images as well. Here you can add your product description. If you can't manually create a description for your product you can create a quick product description with the support of AI. Let's see how it's automatically generating the description. So you can copy it and paste it in the description box. You can save your time simply by getting these options after you click the Save button and see it saved and visible on the Products tab, so you can see how your products appear in your store. You can see the images, title, description, price, and the quantity here.